Welcome to our practical exercise number 6. In this video, we will demonstrate how to transmit and receive the Universal Distress Signal or SOS using Morse Light communication. I am John P. Biarola
and I'm Prince William Marimbao,
and we are from section S2Z.
The SOS distress signal in Morse code is 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, and 3 short flashes like this. I will now transmitting it using a flashlight.
I will receive the Morse light signal and confirm the message being sent.
Short flash, long flash, short flash.
I have successfully received the signal. The message is SOS, the International Distress Signal. Good job on the clear transmission. We've completed the task for practical exercise number 6 by transmitting and receiving SOS using Morse light.
This video will be uploaded to YouTube.
Thank you for watching.